Salom qadrli obunachilar, men sizlarga boyagi videoda Vinini blokka tiqqanini ko'rsatdim. Mana men va nihoyat Vinini olaman. Wow, Vinicius Junior. Askichalari bor trenerda. Basharasi cringe ekan. Ko'tida po'qa ham bor ekan. Oy, Vini. Van Dijk. Qaysiga pul yo'qama bunga? 7 kunga obunachilar kommentariyaga yozinglar. Men buni 2 kunga bloklayman yo 7 kunga? Shuni aytinglar. Shu bilan videomiz qotirilib qo'yadi, yana ketadi. To'xtanglar, boshqatdan yana Vinini qanday turishini ko'rsatmamku. Vini mana Rafinhani o'rnida turadi. Lekin Vini 85, Rafinha 86. Vinida shuncha narsa kuchli. Bitta atbor 28, kuchi 62 ekan. Rafinhada mayli. Vinini bitta live o'ynaymiz. Svobodniy bu tepadi, Vini pravi ekan. Qaysi biri chapa yo'q. Chapa yo'q futbolistning faqat Yamal. Bo'ldi buni. Bu tepadi. Va bo'ldi. Courtois penalti bilan Sardor. Pulim qolma. Bir reklama ko'rib bo'ldim. Prizlarni oldim. Mana ularni kuchaytiray. Yo'q, kuchaytirdim. Uncha emas ekan. Baldaga 5. Hozir kuchaytirib yana bir live o'ynaymiz. Van Dijk qo'yaymi? Van Dijkda necha kunga himoya? Agar Van Dijkda 2 kunga bloklasam, 2 kunda, ya'ni 1,5 kunda Van Dijkda olaman. Valverde da shunda. Lekin men olmosimni ana qilaman, yig'ib buni olaman, yashil futbolist olaman dedim. Mayli bo'ldi. Bo'ldi 2 kunga. Bo'ldi, kuchaytirdik. Mana ko'rishlaringiz mumkin. Men bu yerda 2-o'rinman. Vini qani? Men Vinini qo'ydim bu yoqqa. Vini svobodniy tipa. Bo'ldi. Let's go. Qani, давай, server. Yutqazib bersam, mayli. Stadionni ham bir normal emas ekan. Yo chiqib ketadi, yoki men 90 daqiqa xo'rlayman. Yo'q, bir day.
Oh, that was just inches away from going in. That was the first shot today. They'll hope they can do better later on. Ball's crossed the line, it's out of play. Throw taken long. Goalkeeper receives the ball. volleyed forward.
Qani. Voy. Vini.
Great challenge.
Viniga.
Plays the free kick long.
No, sizlarga bu zerikarli bo'lsa kerak. Shunga o'yin tugagandan keyin shotini ko'rsataman. Davay.
A great move. He's clean through. Surely a goal is coming. This is Courtois with a save. And Bellingham scores. He's reached a real landmark. 100 goals for his team. We'll want to see a replay of that great goal.
Backwood. Kibermas pro
What a chance. Passed around. This team needs to find a way back into the match. Oh, determined challenge there. The fans are on their feet. He should be doing better there. The fans are demanding more goals. This could turn into a rout. They're all trying to get that one valuable goal. He's on the move. It's opened up. Headed upfield. He steps up to steal the ball. Back to the keeper. The keeper's dispossessed. It's there. He's scored with just a few minutes left. And his hard work and determination have paid off there as he finds himself on the score sheet. The manager's bringing on these subs to reinvigorate the team. They're just looking to keep the ball.
It's just
That pass could have been better. He's read that one absolutely perfectly. Careless pass there. The 90 minutes are up. We're into extra time.
Hozir Harry gol urdi.
A
Mana qanday
determined
gol
finish.
urgandi.
He picked his spot and the goal was never in doubt.
Ketdi. Ko'rdinglar.
But there's still 15 minutes left to play.
Endi nima qilsam ekan? Zamina qilaman. Oxirgi taymda.
We're entering the second period of extra time. They've got to do something and quick. They're losing. Rafinha with
Do'stim
his run.
chiqmagani unday
Won the ball.
bo'lmasdi. Oy. Dion.
What a goal. Well, this player really is exceptional in the air. And there's no surprise there. The ball ended up firmly in the back of the net.
Mayli, kibrlanib ketmay. Bo'ldi, tez bo'ldi. Qanday gol urganimga ishonmayapti.
Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. Some safe passing from his team. It's with the defender now. This is a player who's making it all happen. He's got the goal in his sights. Is this the moment? Terrific stop by Courtois. He's closing in on goal, but can he finish it? Well, he's certainly made the goalkeeper work. He's unlucky not to score. That was excellent. A great game all round.
Mana sizlar bilan yashil o'yinchi oldim va yashilmi sariqmi bilmadim 371 olmosimni ishlatib Varati. Varati ekan, bila kim ekan? Donnarumma, молодцы, Donnarumma. Bila 371 ni ishlatib olibman, arzimasdi lekin. Mayli, yana ko'rishamiz.